Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Edwina Tahia Subagio. The title is an analysis of teacher feedback on student online teaching practice in 6th semester at English Language Education Department, UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya, academic years 2019 and 2020. Feedback is important aspect in language teaching. Feedback is one of tools improve the performance in teaching practice. It can help students to reduce the mistake that made by student. Feedback from the teacher or lecturer can bring improvement in competence level. As the Becker statement, teacher and lecturer have a significant role during the teaching and learning process. Study of feedback in English language teaching has covered a wide range of focus area. As a relevant by Saifuddin Hari Chandra found that there are impact of giving feedback to the student in student writing ability. Then Taufik, Richa, Desi, Ainun, Rian, and Hafni have focused on student perception about the effect of giving feedback to improve competence level in teaching learning process. Then Alice, Ainun, Maria, Indri has focused their teacher giving feedback in competence level. However, Mukhlisin, Fasyatul, Nahrozi, and Valenciana mainly focus in peer feedback. Then while Fasyatul, Valencia, Hafni, Maria, and Karisatur focus on implementation technology in online feedback such as Schoology. This study was used purpose sampling in getting sample of the research since the purpose of the teacher of the research want to relevant the lectures, online feedback, and observer feedback based on the primary research in some of the micro-teaching classes. This research will investigate type of teacher online feedback and student preference on the type of teacher online feedback in micro-teaching class. The research question is, what are the type of online feedback given by the teacher in micro-teaching class to develop their teaching practice skill in 6th semester at English Language Education Department, UINSA? The second is, what are the student preference on teacher online feedback in micro-teaching class to develop their teaching practice skill in 6th semester at English Language Education Department, UINSA? The research object of study is to investigate the type of feedback given by the teacher in micro-teaching class to develop their teaching skill in 6th semester at ELED UINSA. The second, to investigate the student preference on teacher feedback in micro-teaching class in 6th semester at ELED UINSA. The significance of study, theoretical, to bring better understanding on the type of lectures on feedback in micro-teaching class to improve student teaching practice. Practical, the teacher can understand what the learner wants, especially in lecture online feedback, and the student can express their preference on lecture online feedback. Further research, the other research can conduct a research on the same topic but on the different focus. For example, they can explore the student preference on lecture online feedback. They also can explore the variety of expression when the teacher gives the feedback, and also they can explore the feedback in different level of student. The scope of the study, the research focus on the analysis of lecture online feedback and the student preference on online feedback in micro-teaching class. Limitation of the study, the research only takes response from the student in a micro-teaching class that given feedback by the teacher. Feedback is conceptual as informal provided by an agent regarding aspect of one performance or understanding. Teacher feedback is teacher emphasis on error correct can produce a negative impact on the student writing ability since it may mislead them to make off draft. Student preference means the student tendency to desire feedback from the teacher toward that teacher. Online classroom is interaction between teacher-student or student-teacher during giving online feedback active done by micro-teaching class. Teacher feedback is comment given by the teacher to the student. The teacher will give feedback on comment to the student performance on product, both oral in the writing form. Type of feedback. According to Ravichandras and Straub theory, teacher as source can deliver feedback such as critique, comment, and correction feedback. This research was designed as qualitative research. In this research, there are two types of the data. The first is primary data. The data of feedback use the lecture and the student reflection of the feedback. Secondary data, additional data were gotten from book, journal, and other support research. Source data. First, research question data took the observation of the online feedback in the Google Classroom, then the interviewing the lecture about the type of feedback, and the last is questionnaire consists the student preferences. Data collect technique. The first is observation, the lecture online feedback in Google Classroom. The second is interview, the lecture about the type of the feedback. The last is questionnaire, give the student about student preference. Research instrument. The first researchers as the instrument, it means the research analyze the data. The research categorize the lecture with written online feedback based on research and sought categorize. The second questionnaire. A questionnaire is a form used in survey design that participants in a study complete the return to the researcher.